the weight of 1 into 10 power 23 moles of CuSO4 5H2O is 41.42 grams. If Na is Avogadro's number, then the number of valence electrons in 4.2 gram nitride ions n power 3 minus will be 2.4 nn. In the final answer, the expression 29.2 minus 20.2 into 1.79 into 10 power 5 by 1.97. The number of significant figures after solving the expression is 2. The volume of carbon dioxide gas evolved at STP by heating 7.3 grams of MgHCO3 twice will be 1120 ml. The atom of zinc atomic weight is equal to 65, necessary to produce 224 ml of H2 by the reaction with dilute sulfuric acid will be 0.65 gm. Zinc atomic weight is equal to 65. On complete decomposition, the volume of CO2 released at STP on heating 9.85 gram of BaCO3 will be 1.12 L. Atomic mass of Ba is equal to 137. Specific volume of a cylindrical virus particle is 6.02 into 10 to the power of minus 2 cc per gram, whose radius and length are 7 degree A and 10 degree A respectively. If Na is equal to 6.02 into 10 power 23, the molecule weight of virus is 15.4 kg per mole. The empirical formula of an oxide of iron which has 69.9% iron and 30.1% oxygen by mass is Fe2O3. The mass of sodium acetate CH3COO Na required to make 500 ml of 0.375 molars aqueous solution would be molar mass sodium acetate 82.0245 grams per mole is 15.38 grams. The concentration of 69% nitric acid by mass in a simple with a density of 1.14 gram per mole will be 15.44 mole per liter. The mass of ammonia produced when 2.00 into 10 to the power of 3 grams dinitrogen reacts with 1.00 into 10 power 3 grams of dihydrogen is 2428.57 grams. The total number of electrons present in 1.4 gram of dinitrogen gas or 4.214 into 10 to the power of 23 electrons. If 10 to the power of 10 wheat grains are distributed each second, the time taken to distribute one Avogadro number of wheat grains would be 1.91 into 10 to the power of 6 years. A reading of Fahrenheit scale is 200 degree Fahrenheit. The same reading on Celsius scale will be 93 degree Celsius. If 500 ml of a 5m solution is diluted to 1500 ml, the molarity of the resultant solution is 1.66 m. The moles present of carbon in carbon dioxide is 27.27%. Find the correct or incorrect statement among the following is: a molecule of a compound has atoms as different elements. A compound cannot be separated into its constituent element by the physical method of separation. A compound of retains the physical properties of its constituent element correct. The ratio of atoms of different elements in a compound is fixed. 4 FeS plus 3 O2 gas gives 2 Fe 2 O3 gas. The statement is correct about the reaction is: total mass of iron and oxygen in reactants is equal to total mass of iron and oxygen is in product. Therefore, it follow law of conservation of mass. The given reaction is not occurred correct according to the law of conservation of mass. C3H8 gas plus O2 gas gives CO2 gas plus H2O gas. H2O water. Match column 1, column 2. 88 grams of CO2, 2 mole. 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 molecules of H2O is equal to 1 mole. 5.6 L of O2 at STP, 0.25 mole. 969 of O2, 3 mole. Physical quantity unit: molarity, mole. Molality, mole kg inverse 1. Pressure, Pascal. Luminous intensity, candela. 8 grams 8GH2 has the maximum number of molecules among the following: 64 GS2, 44G CO2, 48G O3. percentage of C, H and N given as follow. C is equal to 40%, H is equal to 13.33%, N is equal to 46.67%. The empirical formula will be CH4N. A number of significant figure in the following numbers are 161 cm, 0.0161, 1.61 is 3,3,3. The maximum number of molecule is present in 15 L of H2 gas at STP. The incorrect option for mole fraction X is 2x is equal to x minus x is equal to 2. Volume of CO2 obtained by complete decomposition of 9.85 gram BaCO3 is 1.12 liters. 2 gram H2 is as maximum number of molecules among 7 grams N2, 16 grams NO2, 16 grams O2. Find the molarity of liquid HCl if the density of liquid HCl is 1.17 gram, Cc is 32.05. Tungsten is not a ferrous mineral. Lead metal has an ore named galena. Aluminium for aluminium, iron, copper and zinc are extracted from bauxite, magnetite, malachite and calamine respectively. In the metallurgy of iron, when CaCO3 is added to a famous calcium, iron appears as alloy. Gold metals occurs in nature in a free state. Corundum is an ore of aluminium. Flax is used to remove acid and basic impurities. Titanium metal is used for making boats because it does not corrode by seawater. The most abundant element in the Earth's crust by weight is oxygen. Cinnabar is an one mineral of mercury.